In a forgotten desert laboratory, a tiny beetle named Lumo maps wind streets that bloom only after dusk. He discovers bioluminescent grains, guiding him toward a hidden oasis where memories of travelers drift like pollen. Each night he leaves a tiny trail of glow, leading stray nomads to water, safety, and stories. A curious botanist follows the beetle's glow, learning to listen to the desert as if it were a living library. When dawn returns, Lumo dries his wings and vanishes, leaving behind maps that only the kind can read.